Hello guys, good morning. Garden today is rainy morning and good for our garden. The plants love rain. Yeah, rainy morning. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now we're cooking fried rice with the lobster. Our lobster, this one is the lobster meat. We have here, I will add garlic scapes. This one is from my garden, the garlic scapes, the flower of the garlic, and I will add also garlic, minced garlic, and I have also butter, so that our fried rice is very yummy. Now we're cutting the garlic scapes. I will cut it. Okay, actually guys, it's easy to cut the garlic scapes. So yeah, we continue cutting the garlic scapes, guys, the garlic flower, and then I will heat this pan here. This rice is cold rice. You need to have a cold rice. It's better for to do a fried rice. If you use just cooked rice, newly cooked, it's hot, your rice will be broken when you fry it. So the best for fried rice is cold rice, like cold already. You cook in the morning and you do fried rice in the for the night, for the supper or lunchtime. At least your rice is already cold. In the Philippines, you know, the flour. We have the rest of the rice in the morning, from the night, more rice. Then we do fried rice in the morning. So our pan is ready. Then I will put that. The garlic scapes, it's better to put at the, putting at the end. Okay. Yeah, I think that's done. Here, butter. So our pan is already heat. I will spoon some butter. Yeah. Okay, and then that's the butter. Wow, it's on the pan. We put the garlic. We don't burn the garlic, guys, when we are doing fried rice. Wow, smells so good. Now we're adding our lobster. Smells so good, guys. We add a little bit of salt. Yeah. Only that, like a pinch of salt. Wow, it smells so good from the garlic. I'll add more butter. Okay. As the lobster is not, it's $8 per pound. You don't need more butter. Wow, it smells so good. A little bit salt. And then now we're adding our rice. Looks kind of ready. Stir. High heat. I will broke this egg so that it will be separated. Yeah, the egg of the lobster is now red. So our fried rice lobster, guys, is almost done. Now we're adding this garlic scapes. We will add the garlic scapes. Here's our garlic scapes. And my cat is hungry asking food. How I cook our lobster fried rice with a lots of garlic scapes or garlic flour. So guys, I'm making a banana cake. I have wrapped banana here. So I will add cottage cheese instead of milk or yogurt. Okay. So that's our banana cake, guys. I top with some blueberry. I mix with raspberry also, the harvest from this morning. So now I still have here, I will top it there so that the blueberry will be hide and top with nuts. So that's it, guys, ready for the oven. Our banana cake with a lots of berries. That's it, guys, it's done. Our baked banana cake with a lots of berries, nuts, chocolates. I mix everything there. Done cooking. So we're cooking this now, guys. This is the garlic flour, onion, and I have here the bok choy with some kali and Swiss chard, all mixed with that, and the crispy pork I prepared last Thursday. So I'm cooking that one, just a stir fry, simple one. Yeah. I add water, then now we're adding this oyster sauce, and then our vegetable will be last. Yes. But I have here the alugbati, the spinach, Malabar, Asiatic spinach. Then we're mixing it. At this time, you already off the heat. So now, guys, our stir fry is already done with our greens from our garden. Yummy, yummy. Thank you for watching, guys. Hello, bon appetito. Let's eat.